Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to set a daily screen time limit on Roblox mobile. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your Google Play Store, then update your Roblox apps. Now tap on search bar and search for Roblox apps. Now tap on Roblox apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and go to your Roblox apps. Now tap on more one. Scroll down, now tap on settings. Now tap on privacy and content restriction. Now tap on screen time. Now tap on daily limit. Now tap on no limit. Now select your time. Now tap on save and successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.